In this video, I'm going to show you 4 places where you can learn digital marketing for free. Stay tuned. Well, the title of this video is the best platform for learning digital marketing. Really, that's kind of a loaded question because we live in a brave new world. There are many places where you can actually learn digital marketing for free. What is digital marketing? Well, briefly, digital marketing deals with things digital or online. For example, SEO, search engine optimization, email marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube channels, pay-per-click advertising, creating a blog, building a website, building a sales funnel. All that is digital marketing. It could be overwhelming to try to learn all of these things at once in these areas. But there are places where you can go and learn these things for free. Well, I'm going to highlight 4 of those places as I mentioned. Just going to keep this video short and sweet. We'll go to the first one up here. It's called HubSpot Academy. And again, you can go and learn specific categories such as email marketing, and it even shows the lessons that they offer, how long it will take. You can start them for free. You can learn on HubSpot Academy, social media. You can do HubSpot marketing. You can also check out getting started with HubSpot video. List goes on and on. How to build a paid media strategy. So you can learn all these different categories. But I would suggest this. With all of these platforms, pick something that you really enjoy doing, that you can get excited about, and go from there. Because you don't want to have the analysis paralysis and just get overwhelmed by all of this information. Start with something that you're familiar with. So HubSpot Academy, a great resource that has courses. And this is a beautiful thing with most of these platforms. You can become certified after you complete the courses and go through them. That's awesome. Let's check out the next one here. And I put this second, not because it's inferior or anything like that. These come in no particular order, especially when it comes to Google. Google is one of the main ones when it comes to artificial intelligence, machine learning. Google started out as a search engine, but they have advanced like most people don't even know. When it comes to their data science and all those things, Google is right on top with all of that technology. But they also offer, as you see here, a skill shop. And you can say, it says here, master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. Again, this online training is free. Learn digital marketing. And if you scroll down here, you can learn about Google Ads, Google Marketing, Analytics, Google AdMob, Google Ads Manager, and Google My Business. Notice that it says discover how your business profile on Google can help you attract and connect with customers for free. That's powerful. You can turn this into a business after you learn about it and kind of help local businesses to enhance their business, get more sales. That's where they can hire you if you learn more and become certified. Another free tool, if you notice here, is SEMRush Academy. You can take courses as well and become certified. It says get a free certification. SEMRush, they deal in SEO or search engine optimization. They have toolkit courses that you can take. And you can even overview some of the courses and just take a look at them. Click on that, start learning. It says SEMRush overview course, has video lessons, and I really appreciate that. And it gives a brief transcription of what this video and what this training is about. So a wealth of knowledge in these free tools, guys. Many of you may not even known about these free offers. They're not plastered all over the internet, but they are available to you for free. The only downside is you have to invest a little bit of time to learn these tools. And the last one, but definitely not least, is Facebook Blueprint. It says here, learn new marketing skills with Facebook Blueprint. And notice how they already have my name there. Hi, James. When I logged in and researched and clicked on Facebook Blueprint, because I have a Facebook account, very intuitive, using cookies, no doubt, and machine learning and AI. Another one that's on top of the advancements of technology, Facebook. And when it comes to Facebook and you say data, that's what they do, right? Similar to Google. And here are some of the courses and topics. The complete guide to advertising with Facebook ads. How many people have been confused about how to run a Facebook ad? They're going to show you how to do it for free. And here are some of their latest courses that they offer. How to create a Facebook page if you have never created one. How to advertise on Instagram here to the right. 6 lessons involved with that course. How to select the right ad objectives for your business. Just an array of just courses and knowledge that you can learn on these different topics. So when it comes to digital marketing, it's so many things involved with digital marketing. That's such a broad term, but you can specialize in one skill when it comes to digital marketing. Let's say SEO and websites, and you can have a full-time lucrative business. So hope this was helpful to you guys. Soak these things up and utilize these skills to advance your business. Also, I'll put a link in the description. If you are a business, an online business, or you're trying to establish an online business, I have a great platform called Builderall. They are an all-in-one software platform where you can build sales funnels, landing pages. You can build e-commerce stores. You can build apps, app creation, email marketing. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description if you are at all interested. So I hope that was helpful to you guys, to help you to advance and to grow your business online. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.